Let's take my single turbo G80 to a hypercar meet. Let's go. I feel like I'm gonna be the only BMW today. Because they're already supercars. This color's sick. This kid's getting the angles, bro. He wants me to rev it. Hell no, bro. We in cop territory right now. I'm surprised I even brought this car with no headlight. There's another G80. You saw his face. All right, so like I said, this is a hypercar meet, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get in here, but we're gonna try, all right? Hopefully the G80 has enough aura. I should have brought the R8 to be honest, but I just haven't driven this in a while. Well, that's that Revolto from the rally. The freaking Batmobile. Since we don't got the supercar, we gotta try to flex a little bit. Show off a little bit, huh? But we made it. I don't even know where I parked, but hopefully I don't get kicked out. See, if I would have brought the R8, I could have parked over here. Dude, these are all the guys that were on the rally. This is the R8 with the sick tire setup. I want these wheels so bad, bro. Damn. Those will look so good on my car. R34, Ferrari, dude, there's tons of supercars. Look at all the kids around my G80. That's one thing, the single turbo is like a whole nother flex on its own. Everyone goes crazy when I pop the hood. It just looks like 1,000 horsepower or something. Before we get too far into the video, I want to remind you guys that the giveaway for the E92 is live right now. ShopFindingNick.com, first link down below. Yes, I am giving away my first car ever, my E92 M3. It has over $20,000 worth of mods on it, TE37s, a bunch of carbon fiber, full Valtronic exhaust, and so much more. All you gotta do is grab a hoodie or a t-shirt on the website. Every dollar spent gets you one entry into winning the car. We also got sticker packs on the site, so that means you could literally win this car for less than $30, bro. It's an insane opportunity. If anyone has ever wanted an E92 M3, this is your chance. I'm also gonna be flying the winner out to LA so they can pick up their car in person. Come kick it with me and the homies. We're gonna get some content together. It's gonna be a good time. So again, if you guys wanna get entered into winning this car, it's the first link down below, shopfindingnick.com. Don't miss out. Rich. There's for sure a lot of millionaires, maybe even billionaires here today. RWB, things are so wide. Damn, look at those wheels though. All right, I think the hypercars are pulling up. Everyone's tripping out right now. What the heck is that, bro? Oh my God. That shit is crazy. Bro, how expensive is that thing? And a freaking P1. All carbon. CGT. Look at that color. On the chrome wheels. Bugatti. What the heck? All carbon. Senna GTR. It's literally my dream car, guys. Even more than SVJ. I know I talk about SVJ a lot, but this is like my ultimate dream car. The Senna GTR. Like, imagine driving down the street. I love this color. 4GT. GT2 RS. Another P1. Dude, there is so much money here. I told you guys there'd be billionaires here. Aston Martin? Is it the Valhalla? It looks good in all black. Another CGT. I've never seen this many CGTs in my life. Another Senna. Wow. That's insane, dude. Oh my God, it's a freaking SP3. Hey, dude, this is ridiculous. Look at this freaking lineup. There's too much money here, guys. I feel so broke. 2 6x6s. Bro, it's too much to film here. STO. There's so many cars that I haven't seen because they're just so packed. I think this is that STO from yesterday's video that was shooting the crazy flames. Like literally one of the craziest flames I've ever seen. There's no... That's freaking sick. I'm really a Ferrari guy, but this one, perfect, dude. You guys know me, I'd rather take a Lambo, but this shit hard. See, I need this, the freaking Batmobile. Wow, bro, both of these cars are sick. First of all, Aventador SV, my dream car, on freaking wheels. A lot of people keep them stock, but this shit is tough, dude. And that color is perfect. This is really like the E92 color. And then a Viper, guys. You hardly see Vipers. That is sick. Damn, I smell hella 85. You can really smell the 85, bro. What about the vet? Mercy, SV, manual. I don't think I've ever seen this many supercars ever, bro. Like, this is the biggest meet I've ever been to in a long time. It literally doesn't stop. Is that paint? Yeah, hella sparkly. This F80 is so nice. It reminds me of my first one. I miss my first F80 so much. This one's clean too. That color. I'm really debating on bringing my F80 back to life, guys, because I don't drive it enough. Oh, Mark parked right next to me. Yeah, I really don't drive my F80 enough, but I'm thinking of doing like a whole makeover on it, wrap it, maybe some new wheels, and fall back in love with it. But yeah, look, Mark brought his F80 too. Both of us are single turbo. Sheesh. Now we just gotta race, see which one's faster. And you guys see how packed this meet is? Like, I have not been to a car meet like this in a long time, bro. It's honestly too many people though. You can't even film the cars. Alright, now we're heading to Sam's shop. We're about to install a new mod on the G80, which I have been waiting to do this since the day I bought the car. It's gonna change the whole driving experience. So let's head there right now. I'll show you guys the new mod we're about to install. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's gonna make this car feel even more like a race car. Woo! Also, we might throw the car on the dyno today, maybe. Oh, look, RX-7. That thing's clean. So sick. All right, we made it to Sam's shop, 961 Motorsport. He always has crazy cars here. Look at this, G80 M3. Right next to it, the freaking Fast and the Furious R34 GTR Skyline, bro. That's literally the one from the movie. It even has like the nitrous on the bottom too. That's hilarious. And then a bunch of freaking trucks. I think they work on trucks next door, which we gotta get, guys. I wanna build a truck next. Damn, I haven't been here in a long time. They put a bunch of like artwork on the walls. I think he painted everything black too. It should look nice in here. Sam has not seen the single turbo B yet. Let's see what he thinks about it. What the? Is E30 in here? Bro, everything changed. I have not been here in so long. That is freaking sick. This thing is hella nice. I think it's Sam's car. I think he was building it. Shubek.
Fuck you, dude.
I still remember some Arabic. Bro, I used to be around these guys so much that I would literally pick up on Arabic words, bro. I knew more Arabic than freaking Spanish. I still can't get over how crazy this engine bay looks. Like, it looks so nice, bro. All this carbon. Like, this turbo's still spinning. Yeah, there's carbon everywhere, bro, everywhere. The only last pieces I can add is like these, I think. You can get them carbon, which I'm probably gonna end up doing because I've done everything.
Looks like 1,000 horsepower.
I know. It does look like 1,000. It looks insane driving, bro. People think it's 1,000. You gotta drive it though. Tell me if it's Sam approved. Okay, so just like I thought, Sam wants to throw it on the dyno, see what horsepower it makes. But I gotta show you guys what we got for the car. This is from my guys over at RTD Motorsports. I've been wanting to do this to the G80 since the day I got it. I wanted to do this on my F80 when it was manual. Then I crashed that car, unfortunately. But this is gonna be sick on the G80. Check this out. So we got the RTD short shifter. This thing is so sick, bro. It's literally gonna change the whole driving experience. Of course, we went with carbon, because why not add more carbon to the car? And then we got the red shift knob to match the rest of the red, like the cage, the turbo, everything. It looks like this was meant for my car. Yeah, right now, the stock shifter is not bad, but it does have like a long throw. So now it's gonna be like a short shifter, and it just feels way more like mechanically. It's hard to explain, but it just feels like more race car. It's gonna be sick, bro. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. This is like one of the last things that we need for this car. After this, it's like perfect, bro. This car has everything done to it. He's gonna do a little dyno pull real quick. That shit is so loud, dude. Damn, it sounds sick. this wrap. This wrap is kind of crazy on the R8, huh? You got like a whole mouth on it. What is it, like a race car? Drift car? I don't really know, but it looks kind of crazy. So yeah, right now the throw's not bad, but you guys can see how freaking long it is, right? But with this though, bro, it's gonna be like instant, like short little gears like this. So obviously make the car just that much faster and just feel so much better. 'Cause don't get me wrong, it's nice, but it's way too like comfortable, you know what I mean? BMW tries to make it as comfortable as possible. It's gonna feel like full race car mode. But it's just gonna look sick in here.
Yeah.
Look, and everything matches too, the cage and everything. They also have a longer one, but this is like their short version. The other one would have been like right here or something.
Yeah.
This one's cool. All right, I'm actually gonna leave the G80 here. Tomorrow, Sam's gonna install the shifter, and we're also gonna retune it. We're gonna make this thing even faster, bro. It's gonna be really fast. Once Sam puts his little touch to it. A lot of time has passed, but we brought the R8 out now. And funny enough, earlier in this vlog, you guys probably saw we took my G80 to a hypercar meet, and now we are taking the supercars to a BMW meet. I should technically be bringing the BMW to this one, but anyways, we got Garrett out here in the GT3 RS. Again, if you guys haven't seen the last video, he just picked this thing up, and I'm so jealous, bro. It's beautiful. The color, the wheel color, the whole spec is just insane, dude. God, I want one so bad. Ever since he got his too, like the past couple of days, I've been at home like just calculating in my head how much this would be a month, how much I gotta make a month to afford one of these. I've been just stressing at home trying to figure out how I can get my hands on the GT3 RS because I want one so bad now, bro. They're so sick. I feel like it's a good thing though, like kicking around homies that are doing good and achieving things like this. I feel like it makes you motivated, you know? Your friends should like push you and you should push your friends. Motivate each other, and that's exactly what he did after he got this car. Like, I want a crazier car now. Don't get me wrong, I love the R8, but I want something crazy now. I want an STO. I want a Lambo, a McLaren. I don't know, bro. Or we just make this thing faster. That's another thing we can do. Go like 1500 horsepower on the R8, and then Arion brought the McLaren out, the red on red. But yeah, let's go shut down this BMW meet.
What?
Is it fast?
Yeah, it was scary.
Oh, this car's too low. That shit sounded sick, but I try not to redline it. When it was NA, I used to do it a lot, I'm not gonna lie. It just sounded so sick when it hits redline, but with the turbo setup, hell no, I'm trying to baby this thing a little bit. Bro, I wanna drive it. I'm trying to convince him, guys. Maybe we'll drive it today. Yeah, I've never driven one. Actually, I drifted one. I drifted Ron's once for him, which I didn't vlog, but that was fun. But I didn't get to actually drive it. I want to drive it, bro. We made it. We pulled up hot. Look, the homie.
Fucking show, bro.
No, everyone tripped out.
And also,
I know.
R8, we're like,
Everyone stop what they're doing.
It's because of you, bro. You got the GT3 RS. Damn, G. Is that Moise in it?
Hi.
I thought this was you.
Mark said I got a twin here somewhere.
Bro, look.
What? Let me see.
thought it was you.
Oh, shit. It's my boy Len. Boy Lennon.
Bro, this thing was crazy.
Yeah, his is crazy. He's got the hood exit. Low-key took some inspiration, not gonna lie, with the headlight delete. That bumper's hard though, all carbon. I need that. This car's almost all carbon. Look, the hood, the fenders, the bumper, and he's all freaking stripped in here. I should have bought my G80.
Bro.
So we could have been 20.
Bro, how you been?
I'm good, and you? This is clean. I think I literally saw this at the hypercar meet. I'm pretty sure this is the exact same one. Damn, this is all BMWs, huh? My boy needs a car wash. He for sure went in the desert. That's how my F80 looked that day I took it. Mark pulled up with the BBS's. I like that he did LMRs, because everyone does LMs, like my freaking R8. I personally think the LMs look better, but they're cool because they're more rare. Not that many people do the LMRs. Shit looks so nice though. I need the seat delete. Oh. Sorry. Uh-oh, the cops are pulling up. Hopefully you don't get mad. We're literally like parked in the driveway too. Oh shoot, he got the snake eyes. What do you guys think about these headlights? I know my boy Chris has them on his F80. So many people are like, they have like mixed reviews, but I like them. If I end up keeping my F80 for longer, because it is for sale still, but if I keep it longer, I'm probably gonna switch to those just to try them out, do something different. I personally like doing things that get controversial, that people either hate or love. It just gets people commenting. Anyone wants some tips on social media, try to get as much comments as you can. And my boy got a tire on this, huh? Him too, what the heck? Fast guys. Yeah, this shit looks sick. It's like a TE B-Lock. And the T's in the front too. Boy, there's a lot of F80s here. I gotta bring my bag, dude. It's like reminding me of how sick they actually are. I think I just forgot, bro, because I don't drive mine enough. How much you guys want to bet this cop's gonna get somebody? Look, they don't see him. Bro, they're doing flybys and the cop is right there with his lights on. Oh, they seem like they're chilling, but we'll see. Who's he gonna get, guys?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.